Are you facing this problem right now? Don't worry. Let's jump to the solution. Hello viewers. Welcome to our channel Dr. Graphics. Today I am here to solve another problem related to Coreldraw launching. Often when we open Coreldraw, we face an error showing this type of message. Open up the Start menu. Go to Control Panel. In Control Panel, open up Programs. Hit right-click of your mouse on Coreldraw. Click on Install Change. The Coreldraw will begin processing. After that, you will be asked to either modify, repair, or uninstall the installed program. You need to choose Repair. The Coreldraw files are now being processing and repairing. One thing more. If this technique solves your problem, then do not forget to share with us in comment section. And hit the subscribe button to motivate us. The repairing process has been finished now. You need to hit the Finish button. Let's go to the Coreldraw and try to open it once again. Oh my god! It worked! So if you have liked this video, please do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.